Wintertime in May, what you gonna do? Sit around the house watching football on the tube. Talk about the Sox, who's pitching this year. Eat a lot of stew, maybe drink a few beers. But then the weatherman says, you better get ready. Snow is on the way and it's gonna be steady. We might even get a foot this time, and everybody acts like they're losing their mind. Well, hey, hey, well, ho, ho, I gotta tell you just so you know. Well, hey, hey, well, ho, ho, but this is Maine and it's gonna snow. Snow, it's like rain, only it's fluffier. So calm yourself down, take a deep breath. It's wintertime in Maine, now what did you expect? It comes in the fall and it melts in the spring. What can you do about it? Not a darn thing. But the folks all down at the grocery store, they're banging their carts and blocking up the door, fighting in the aisles like they need a referee, belting each other for a roll of TP. It's that quilted kind, I guess it's kind of worth that. So, but hey, hey, oh, ho, ho, I gotta tell you just so you know. Well, hey, hey.